Hello friends, today I will teach you Laravel 8 installation in Windows 10 using Composer. So first you need to download the Composer from the Get Composer org. Go to the download and download the Composer setup.exe. Once the Laravel Composer downloaded, then run as administrator. Click on yes and then install for all users. It will prompt the Windows. Click on next button, click on next and install it. Then click on finish button. Once the composer install, click open the CMD using shift right CMD and go to your installation directory. CD and docs in my case. So let's write the command to install Laravel 8. Create composer, create project, slash prefer-dist is Laravel slash Laravel and your project name. Laravel 8 project. Enter and run the command. Wait for the installation. It will install all the directories, directory packages. Your Laravel installed in the folder. So go to the xampp and find the folder Laravel 8 project. Here it is installed and now open this project with the Visual Studio Code. So click on open folder, go to C, XAMPP, htdocs and Laravel 8 project. Select folder. Now it's open in the Visual Studio Code. You can see the Laravel 8 Composer JSON file. Here it will show Laravel framework version Laravel 8.7. So your Laravel is installed successfully. Now let's run it. You can run from the Visual Studio Code also, and also you can run from the command prompt. cd go to your project Laravel 8 project. Run the command php artisan so run Laravel. Now here the you can go to the browser and write the localhost 8000 port to run the Laravel project. Here you can see our Laravel installed successfully. Here you can see all the structure folder of the Laravel app, bootstrap config, database, public, resources, route, storage, tests, and the vendor package manager. And here all the files. Thank you. Hope this video helps you to install Laravel 8 in Windows. Thank you.